BIAZA is an association that represents the best zoos and aquariums in Britain and Ireland. They will support a zoo if they feel they contribute significantly towards animal welfare, conservation, education and research. This video will be focused on conservation at Twycross Zoo. As an active member of BIAZA, Twycross Zoo should aim to inspire people to help animals, their environment and contribute to conservation programmes. The zoo has other various ways in which they do this. First of all, there's an entire section of the zoo linked with and themed around conservation, which contains many endangered and vulnerable species that are encouraged to breed.
Twycross is involved in research and projects into this topic, allowing better methods to be used to reproduce and successfully reintroduce animals into the wild. There are multiple sections in the zoo that allow donations to be made and allows the public to become involved in conservation. A key species example of this is the leopards. Around their enclosure there is a large amount of signage discussing examples of ways to conserve their species, threats they face, and basic information about their lifestyle, habitat, and diet. Leopards are one of the most endangered animals that Twycross Zoo houses, with fewer than 70 left in the wild and 300 in captivity. It is the most endangered of all the big cats, mainly due to poaching and habitat destruction linked to fires, deforestation, and disease. There is currently 4 leopards housed at Twycross, including 2 cubs, which were bred and born at the zoo, showing success in their breeding program. However, the cubs have yet to be moved to another zoo or placed into a breeding program themselves.
Twycross would further meet BIAZA's conservation aim if they were to move the cubs into the Wildlife Vets International for leopards in the Russian Far East, which reintroduces captive individuals into the wild, increasing the population of the species. There is information about this project on signs around the zoo and on their website. Keeping the cubs at Twycross may be beneficial as they help to draw into the public as a flagship species and therefore provide an increase in funds for the zoo, but reintroducing them to the wild would help them to meet BIAZA's standards and mission for zoos.